So we'll talk a lot about these themes as we go through this journey. All right, so let's go back in time. I finished undergrad about 20 years ago. I'm from Philadelphia. I wanted to stay in Philadelphia. And we know that Bentley was founded and our headquarters is in Exton. So when I was finishing undergrad, I literally just looked at the companies recruiting at Penn State. They were in alphabetical order. And I wanted to do graphics. And there's a company that began with A, so before B, A, analytical graphics. And I joined AGI and started doing software development for aerospace visualization. Think a spinning globe, satellites orbiting that globe. So in 2011, it was the dawn of 3D on the web, right? GPUs were becoming pretty widely adopted out there. JavaScript was becoming fast enough as a programming language, and a consortium called Khronos had the WebGL standard that allowed you to do hardware-accelerated 3D on the web. So as an aerospace company, we took a look at this and said, hey, can we take our 3D visualization and then make it available on the web and make it available to software developers? And it turned out the answer was absolutely yes. Okay, and I'll show you an example of that now. So what we're looking at here, this is a partner of Cesium called COMSPOC. They do SSA, Space Situational Awareness. They literally track objects in flight in space, and they try to predict where they'll go, and if there's potentially collisions, which then could create debris, and then create even more traffic out there. That app is called Spacebook. You could go to spacebook.com. It runs in a web browser. So we did this. We met the technical challenge.